Jimmy mowing.
That might be quicker if you get traffic off.
It takes Atlanta totally out.
This looks like it's ready for the day.
Oh yeah, I've been riding this thing around all day.
Got a good frame.
That's a Chefta. I don't know what it is. Probably an Indian or a Rupp clone of some kind. It's a kit bike. It comes in a box, so you can bolt it all together.
Yeah.
Here on the axle and up here on the fork.
It's got a square brake. Nothing wrong with that.
I wish it had more power, and even if you stomp on this, it still doesn't slow down.
big crash.
Oh,
I can't tell if I'm going
Okay,
straight or
oh
crooked.
Jim, you're drilling it out?
Go towards the wheel.
This way?
Yeah. Right there, straight up.
Oh no. Oh, what happened?
All right, give me that ball.
He's gonna make it now.
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
ruining the Predator engine.
Yeah, ruined nothing.
Put a
He's a
sleeve
jump
in
in.
it if you had to.
Yeah. You bought a bolt that's too big?
It fits all the other ones.
But that one.
That one was. I think that one was hidden.
I drilled it.
Pressure washer motor. Yeah, 25 bucks. This whole bike goes 60 down the road.
$25 pressure washer motor.
Yeah, $25 pressure washer motor.
See how cheap you can get them?
You get them used. They're already broken in.
Don't even have to spend any money.
CVT transmission. Ooh, the white balance is bad. There we go.
Yeah, I got it.
I know.
Yeah.
Nothing. Absolutely.
Well, I was going to save it up for Bella, but she's not going to take it. So.
Check that out.
Two cups of butter pecan ice cream.
And it's cooled. I don't know if it's oil cooled or radiator water cooled. It's a boat engine. Oh. Your shoe got caught?
Yep.
Oh, there it goes. You need to go downhill a little bit. It barely has enough power.
Huh?
It barely has enough power.
That's right.
Whee! Into the sunset he goes, and then Tim's in the way. That's what I'm thinking. Brought back Red Riddler again. Did fine. It's a Wednesday. That would technically be the second to last day to meet. So people are already packing up and leaving. Sunday was the most popular day. We had a lot of people. There's the guys. Carol fixing all by the garage. Go check them out. We're right next to the track. Where they do all the derbies over there to the right. And they'll have horse track racing as well with carriages. Mini bikes are off limit on that track. There you go, there's the Lion Burgers. And over here, back behind this building, there's like ice cream and desserts and I think it's some kind of German sausage hot dog wraps. Here's the main strip right here. Everybody's got their bikes out. The majority of them. Both sides. John with his pony cycle. Supposed to be stopping on these intersections. Take it slow. Not a crazy busy year this year. Not a lot of vendors out. Like I said, Sunday was, I think, the most populated. They had people out here on Sunday. And people had to go back to work on Monday. So very unfortunate how this was all set up this year. Little scat kitty right there. Bike is making noises. I don't know if that's how it's hearing. The only other street that's in the fairgrounds has actually still got bikes on it. Everybody else just got campers out. I'm gonna go check out what that squeaking sound is on the bike.
Yeah, we paid for
I thought we paid for everything, but it was only $400 what we paid for, and it's $100 and some dollars a night. And we've been here, what, Sunday night? Monday night, Tuesday night. That's 3.
Right, so tonight will be 4.
We got the chain on, we got the clutch on, we got the wheels on. We got the throttle hooked up. You can see our little throttle setup we got under there. The return spring. So now we just got to do the brakes and we got to mount the seat. But we're going to mount the seat and then we're going to take it for a ride. And we're going to Fred Flintstone it to stop it. That we went to and we found he had the brake kit. He's got the actual kit for this Rutman. Comes with the band, the cable, the lever, a hardware, the spring, and this is the guard, the bracket that bolts to the engine, and this is the chain guard, this other piece that the sticker would go on. But we want to drive it first to make sure it's okay, and then we're going to do it first. But we got to put the seat on. It's good. Let's go.
All right, ride it.
Kickstand up.
Gotta put some of your spring on there.
Whoa. The little ramp's kicking out.
You forgot to put the pin in there.
Give her some choke. She got gas?
Yeah, it's got a lot of gas in it.
We gotta rebuild the carburetor 5th time. Woo! There you go.
Then he's gonna say, with
Or you should say, well, we need to name it.
yeah. And then he's gonna
And I'll
name
say,
them.
why don't we call it the Rutman?
Ooh, I like it.
Or just Ratman.
Ratman.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Get it, boy, get it!
Come on, Rutman. Ratman.
You need me to drive it?
We give it a little partial choke.
It's not running.
Doesn't like us. You rat rod.
Yeah, it doesn't like it when you get over the dog.
That stupid thing. You got gas in it?
Dude, did we run out of fuel?
I ran it pretty hard.
It's got gas in it.
Well, good morning, everyone. Today's the last day of Portland, Indiana, 2026. I just woke up. This is all what's left. It's all a barren wasteland. So that was Portland. I didn't take a lot of filming today, or any of the events. I I kind of lacked off and kind of just hanging out with people. But I'm very thankful that I have very special friends here that I can hang out with. Hey there guys, welcome back. We had an awesome time at Portland as usual. We want to continue going to Portland for the years ahead, making new friends. We made lots of new friends this year. It's amazing that all the connections we've made. Got all my bikes off, Cushman's back in the background, and my two other little bikes are back in the barn in the back over on the other side of the field. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more vintage motorbike content like this. My name's Elijah, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.